Hey, design thinkers. This is the second video in my series on the 5 critical skills we explore in my new Design Thinking 2.0 workshop. And today we're talking about opportunity seeking skills. I find that most teams that I work with don't lack ideas. They just stop too soon and rush to solve the problem. Real opportunity lives in the fog. It's about staying curious longer, challenging assumptions, and imagining what no one else sees yet. In the workshop, we bring this to life through an exercise called Four Futures, where we stretch your thinking across possible worlds. What if a different industry solved the problem? What if the problem became irrelevant? What if social norms flipped the problem entirely? And what if tech solved it completely? It's creative, it's strategic, and it will change how you spot opportunity in your work. If you're a design thinker or a facilitator ready to level up, join me in Amsterdam on June 19th with Future Skills Academy for my new workshop, Mastering Design Thinking, A New Perspective. We're not just thinking outside the box, we're redesigning the whole system. I hope you can join me.